Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Then start your recording by tapping on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon over here. And if you want to end it and save it, tap on this square button below the bookmark. Finally, name your recording however you wish to and tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it though, click on the back button, hold it, and select Delete All at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always manage more recording options by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting Settings, and adjusting all of them however you wish to, like Quality. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!